To wash the Superskin-V, just place C22 onto a cotton pad and rub it in circular motions around your scalp, pulling the hair system back slowly to minimize any discomfort. Once removed, you want to spray C22 onto a cotton pad and apply that directly to the area in which the tape or glue is on. Once removed the tape or the glue, place the hair system into a sink with warm water and use 2 to 3 pumps of reset. Massage this into the base of the hair system, repeating this process at least 2 to 3 times to ensure all the adhesive is removed and the base is cleaned. Submerge it back into water to remove the rest of the reset from the hair system, ready for the next step. Brush through with a comb, using the teeth away from the base of the hair system. Take 2 to 3 fingers filled with renewal and move this throughout the hair system, covering all the area, ensuring all the hair is fully moisturized. Leave this 2 to 5 minutes. Once it's been there for 2 to 5 minutes, you can then place it back in the sink and wash all the renewal out of the hair system, ready for the next step. Place it in a towel and press firmly to remove as much water as you can, possibly without using a hairdryer. Take the hair system out and once again brush through the hair system with the teeth of the comb away from the base of the hair system to avoid damaging it. Once complete, spray the hair system with Refresh around 2 to 3 times to cover the hair system to lock in the moisture so it's ready to wear.